Accent Imaging is excited to announce that we have added sharp display solutions to our growing technology lineup, giving organizations a smarter way to collaborate, inform, and engage. Sharp interactive displays bring people and ideas together with intuitive touch technology for meetings, training, and classrooms. Digital signage delivers timely, high-impact messaging across lobbies, campuses, hospitality, retail, and public spaces. Need something bigger? Create high-impact experiences with multi-screen video walls or seamless direct-view LED displays that scale to fit lobbies, command centers, auditoriums, retail spaces, and more. From consultative needs assessment and room planning to professional installation, integration, and ongoing support, let Accent Imaging help design the right sharp display solution for the way you work. Visit accentimaging.com to get started.